Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock card only way. Gather your materials and set a clean workspace, then label the top with the item name and SKU. Draw columns for date, received, issued, balance, and notes. Use a consistent format so anyone can read it. Update the card every time stock moves and reconcile with your ledger or spreadsheet weekly for simple, reliable inventory control. Start by ruling the card into neat columns with a ruler and pen, keeping headings bold and legible. Place date at left, then received quantities, issued quantities, running balance, and a narrow notes column for references. Leave a margin for corrections or initials and use consistent abbreviations. If you manage many items, use color coding or separate index bins for quick access and faster audits during stock counts. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more practical tips. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They keep you comfortable during long inventory sessions and make counting a little less dreary. I added the link in the description with other deals, so check it out. Now let's get back to the video. When recording, write the full date and reference number so you can trace transactions later with ease. Update the running balance right away to avoid mistakes and mark returns or damages in the notes column. Use initials for who made the entry and keep handwriting clear for others. Reconcile the card with your physical count at set intervals to catch discrepancies before they grow into costly errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.